this roof is pitched to where from the street you can't see if something's on top. Why do you think we did that? Why would you have the roof pitched to where from the street you can't see what's on the roof? Security purposes, and needless to say, people will steal from you. Okay? Even if they don't know what it is, they'll steal it because it's not something that's in this neighborhood. Okay? So there's another reason why the panels are pitched back. Anybody got that reason? If you have that sitting there, I hope she makes that dish good. She did. Okay, so why is that bucket there? To collect water. Okay, so if the roof is pitched a certain way, then it's probably going to help us collect water in these rain barrels. For what purpose? To water the plants. See, y'all catching it. It ain't that hard, it ain't rocket science. Okay? So the panels, the roof is pitched back so people can't see what's up there. Secondly, so that the water will run off of here, go into those drums, and we collecting rainwater. And if you collect rainwater, do you have to use your own water coming out? No. Okay? And so once you put the water in the rain barrels, then you can, what they call irrigate. So the water will run off of here and it will collect in those barrels, and we're going to create a sprinkler system. We're not going to be able to do that today, but the next time you come back within a month, those barrels will actually be watering this that we did last month ago. The other day, me and my brother were over here. Actually, somebody had to cut the grass, right? So we were cutting grass and doing different things, getting it ready for the day. And he noticed that there's a vegetable. So where we planted less than 30 days ago, it is producing. And so, you know, I almost teared up a little bit. Okay, so what we want to do, two things. We want to look at our solar production, and there's a couple of ways that we can do that. And one of them is through the internet, okay? But another one is we can physically look straight through from here. You can look straight through here and you can see solar panels on the roof. You stand up.
Yeah.
See? Can you see it now? That's some panels, but we're going to walk around the backyard and we're going to actually see them. But as sunny as it is right now, are they making what? Students. Parents, y'all in class too, ain't you?
Energy.
Okay, well what kind of energy?
Solar.
What kind of energy is solar energy? It's coming from the sun, but what's the kind of energy, what is it converted into? Let's put it that way. Thank you. It's electricity. Okay, so if you have something on your house that's taking the sun to make electricity, is the house having to buy a bunch of electricity from Centerpoint or all these other folks?
No.
No. Okay, so when you make your own energy, you're saving what you're spending through relying and all these other people. So that's one of the purposes of using solar. Okay, now here's the math that we did a month ago. I don't know who all was here when we had the grand opening. Chase, you was here, right? And you were here, so I get to pick on you too. Okay, and this is Math Saturday, so it's fair, right? Okay. Anybody remember the measurements of this space that we're sitting under? The space of your outdoor classroom. How many feet is it? How many feet is it from that pole to that pole? Anybody knows?
20.
Huh?
20.
30. 30 feet. Okay, anybody know what the distance is from that pole to that pole? Is it more or less?
Less.
It's less. How long do you think that is? 20. You did say 20, right? That is 20. So from there to there is 20, and there to there is 30. What is the square footage of this area? This is Math Saturday. Okay?
50.
How much?
600.
Thank you. 600 square foot. Give her a hand. Okay, y'all gonna have to start getting faster with that math though. Okay, so 600 square foot. So there is a way we can find out how many solar panels we can put on this roof on 600 square foot. But it's kind of tricky. But all I wanted to tell you is that there's gonna be, this is another easy way to figure this out. Okay, does anybody know how many panels on that roof over there? This would be a good time to take a trip. We're gonna look at how many panels on that, and we're gonna kind of get an estimate of how big that roof is in comparison to this roof, and you tell me how many panels we should be able to put on here. Okay, so that's 12, and you see how much space. So when you look at that roof over there, if you got 12 here, how many do you think you can get over there? What y'all think?
10, 15.
Huh?
10, 15.
Like the entire roof.
Is it supposed to cover the whole roof?
Cover the whole roof. Okay, I'll let y'all know. You can fit 30 on it.